This video is brought to you by Dr. Kristen R. Bromley's Guitar Method Book Series and Online Music Academy.
Hi, I'm Dr. Kristen Bromley. Welcome to my online academy. I'm delighted to have you joining me here in these online lessons. In this video, we're going to jam together on 5 different melodies. We'll be reading those melodies in tablature notation, as that's the focus of this lesson series. As we're jamming on these videos, we'll be playing them over the band backing track that's been created for this lesson. So it's going to be great. It'll be you, me, and the band jamming on these melodies, which will be super, super fun. This video accompanies the Tablature Book from my Method Book series. In the book, we're going to be on pages 66 through 69. We'll start with song 89 and we'll do songs 89 through 93. We'll go first at a slower tempo and a faster tempo at each one of those songs, and we'll go right in order. Each of these songs will stay on the top 4 strings of the guitar and in open position, meaning we use the open strings and then our index finger will play the notes in the 1st fret, middle in the 2nd fret, ring in the 3rd fret, and pinky in that 4th fret. We really want to work those fingers in those frets, as it's getting our hands used to positional playing, setting us up for when we'll be playing higher along the fretboard and even shifting and playing all over the fretboard. So it's really good to establish the use of all those fingers in that position as specified right now. It's going to be super fun as we play these songs. If you're struggling to keep up, then just pause the video, as I always say, work on that part, get that part happening, and then play along with the video again. By working through the hard parts, you develop your technique much, much faster. Alright, it's going to be super fun. We're just going to go ahead and play these melodies together, as this is something we've been doing quite a bit at this point in the lesson series. So we'll just go ahead and jam together on these songs. Okay, fantastic. I hope you are really having fun with this. As we continue through the lesson series, of course, we're going to work on some more melodies that are happening there in first position on these strings. So it's going to be great. Take care, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And be sure to check out more great content. You can find more information about me and my products at KristenBromley.com. Take care.